You know it gets loud down in this here canyon. Not really going that fast. Just that induction makes it sound like it is. It really opens up the sound of this car. I prefer it over a loud exhaust because if I'm just driving and I don't want to hear all that, I just don't put my foot in it. No drone. Right now I'm just kind of cruising around the corner, nice and easy. Hear a little burble and stuff back there. Not a lot of pops. Not a lot of bangs. Just taking it easy. Give it a little goose and get some fun sounds. Miata. Wouldn't trade this for a Miata. Don't get me wrong, I'm pretty sure that they are fun on a track. Parts are much cheaper, I'm sure, than a BMW Z4M Roadster. But this is a Z4M Roadster. It is not a Miata. And I like my Z4M Roadster.